Hey, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. We are going to make a big bow for my Valentine tree using 21-inch mesh. So I've just folded over one side of the mesh. We're going to line that up, and then I'm going to bring the mesh back over. I want a total of 24 inches to make a nice big bow. So I'm finding the easiest way when you flip that over, just take some clips and clip it. And then all we're gonna do is wrap this around a couple of times, just like this. Line that up, bring it back over, just so I get a lot of color in this bow. And then we're just going to keep clipping it so that we don't lose our center. And we're going to wrap it around, I think, one more time. Just like that. Bring it back around to the back. So this is going to be the back. We're clipping that. And then just bringing this around just past that center so we can cut it. I'm just cutting it with scissors. We are not going to see this part anyway. Clip all that together. And then we're going to we'll just grab a zip tie, flip it back around to the front. Make sure I have my 24, and then we're going to scrunch right here at the 12-inch. Okay, just like that. And then let's go ahead and zip tie it. Bring that back around. We're going to tighten this up as tight as we can get it. Go ahead and cut that off. And now we're going to make our tails. So I'm going to do 36-inch. Grab that right there. Perfect measurement. We use that rest of the roll. All right, now we're going to completely take this in half. Just be patient with it. It's mesh. It's going to stick to itself. So I'm just trying to find center. So we're going to take that. Take my hand right down the middle of it. Find our center. And then we're going to attach this with a pipe cleaner. Get that nice and tight. And then I'm going to take the rest of that. That's going to be a loop to go around the top of the tree. And then we'll attach it to the top of the tree. Always a kink in our best laid plans, right? So there's our mesh tails. Gonna go right in the center. And just kind of fluff up those loops. So that will be the bow for the top of my Valentine tree. There you go. Have a good day.